So this stuff is really great for patching up small holes in your house, such as nail holes from old pictures or just small dings. Typically, I need a ton of different equipment to do a small job like this, so it's nice to have it all on a stick where you can just rub it right on. It'll fill those holes. You can wipe it off with a wet paper towel, all that excess, and then just let it dry and paint, and it is smooth and back to the way it started. Now this stuff isn't great for large jobs, mostly for small patching up spots like these. I've even used it to go over old holes which I've patched up and it started to heal in. To just fix those holes and smooth it out a little bit more, I've fill in some of this, wipe it off, and then paint it, and it's good as new.